Good morning. This week's Did You Know Thursday. And this week we're looking at creating a Jotform. Once you have created an account and logged in, you'll come to this screen. So then click on Create Form, and we're going to start from scratch today. We're going to go with the classic form. So some things you should know about Jotform. Over here on the right-hand side, you have the form designer. This is where you can change the colors and the layout. Here you can change the button style, select what kind of font you'd like, the size and the alignment. Here we can add your logo, like so. Now to create the form, we need to give it a name. So for this one, we're just going to use example. You can also add in a subheader then. Now we need to drag our first questions. Where from? Over here, add form element. And as you can see from on the list on the left, there's all different kinds of elements. So to add an element to the form, you just click on it, drag and drop. We have the name, email, phone, and you can then swap them around by where these little dots are. You can then move the elements as you like. You can also change how they are viewed. So if you click on properties, this will open up the screen on the right hand side. You can make the field required. You can decide whether you want the label alignment on the left. You can change the text of the sub-labels. So where it says please enter a valid phone number, you could say please enter a mobile number. You've got options how you want this bit here to look, and if you click on the advanced and scroll down, we've got shrink. Now this is really useful. For example, for this, we can make the form more compact. Click on the email element. I've still got the properties open on the right hand side, so I can make this required as well. There's the red dot. And on this one, I'm going to go to advanced and click on shrink. And now the two fields are together. We can then go down and we can add in, maybe you need a drop down box, or perhaps we want to ask them to give us a star rating. Again, or perhaps we want them to give us a star rating. While you're building your form, you can also then click on preview form, which is in the top right hand corner. And there we have our form so far. There's a lot more to Jotform, but I'm going to keep this brief. So you have your different basic elements here. We also do have widgets, so you can have like terms and conditions, you've got signatures. There's a lot of possibilities with Jotform. Once you're ready though, once your form is complete, then you can go to settings. In here, we can decide whether or not we're going to get a copy of the submission on email, or perhaps we want to say that set an autoresponder email, so the person who completes the form automatically gets a copy. We can update the thank you page, so you can change the image, we can change the text, we can add in fields from the form, so we could say thank you first name. And then of course there are integrations which you can have a lot of fun with. So once you've done that though, once your form is ready and you've done everything that you'd like, we click on publish. And that's it. Now you can quick 101 on Jotform. Have fun gathering data, guys. And if you need any assistance, of course, please do reach out to admin@stebbington.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.